Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest product reviews. Today, we have an exciting product to talk about: the Meliya soft silicone bands for Fitbit Inspire 3. These bands are designed to provide comfort, style, and durability for your Fitbit Inspire 3 fitness tracker. So, let's dive right in and explore all the details. First and foremost, let's talk compatibility. These bands are specially designed for Fitbit Inspire 3 fitness tracker, so make sure you have the right model. Now, let's get into the material. These bands are made of high-quality liquid silicone, which is not only comfortable but also waterproof. You can wear them in any weather or during workouts without worrying about damage. Comfort is key, and Meliya doesn't disappoint. These bands are lightweight, soft, and skin-friendly. You'll barely notice them on your wrist, and they won't cause any irritation. One of the highlights here is the 2023 latest color options. Meliya offers a variety of beautiful colors, allowing you to personalize your Fitbit Inspire 3 to match your style. Size matters. These bands are designed to fit wrists ranging from 5.1 inches to 8.1 inches. So, whether you have a small or large wrist, Meliya has got you covered. The best part? The price. These Meliya soft silicone bands are available for just $6.99. It's an affordable way to give your Fitbit Inspire 3 a fresh and stylish look. Keep in mind that availability may vary depending on your location, so make sure to check if they can be shipped to your area. Now, let's take a quick look at what customers have to say. The product has a 3.9-star rating based on 272 reviews, which is quite impressive. Customers have praised the comfort and quality of these bands, with many mentioning that they are soft, comfortable to wear, and offer excellent value for the price. However, there have been a few isolated cases of bands not properly attaching to the Fitbit device, so it's essential to ensure a secure fit. To sum it up, the Meliya soft silicone bands for Fitbit Inspire 3 are a fantastic accessory to enhance your fitness tracker's style and comfort. With a range of colors and an affordable price tag, they offer great value. If you're interested in upgrading your Fitbit Inspire 3 bands, these Meliya bands are definitely worth considering. Just make sure to double-check the compatibility with your Fitbit model before purchasing. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.